Hey y'all, this is me, Aaliyah Donelle, and welcome to my channel, Aaliyah's World, where this is my world and you're just living in it. Today's video will be about the kawaii aesthetic and how you yourself can emulate it. Okay y'all, let's get into the video. Kawaii fashion is all about embracing cuteness and sweetness. It's a style originating in Japan that features playful colors, childlike silhouettes, and adorable details. Kawaii emerged in the 1970s and 80s as a rebellion against traditional Japanese fashion. It reflected a desire for individuality and self-expression. The color palette of this aesthetic is pastel colors like pink, baby blue, lavender, and mint green. When shopping for this aesthetic, stick to silhouettes that's loose and flowy with the focus on comfort. Think A-line skirts, ruffled sleeves, and puffy dresses. For fabrics, stick to soft and light materials like lace, chiffon, and cotton. With kawaii, prints like hearts, stars, and cartoon characters are ideal. Keep makeup light and natural with the focus on doe-eyed appearance and rosy cheeks. Look to Japanese fashion magazines, J-pop idols, and celebrities like Kiari Pami and YouTubers like Pixie Locks. Some clothing staples for this aesthetic is A-line skirts and dresses, oversized sweaters, leg warmers, knee-high socks, headbands with cute accents like bows or animal ears, platform shoes, or chunky sneakers. Now come with me to bring this look to life. Oversized pastel sweater paired with a pleated skirt, knee-high socks, and platform sneakers for a cozy and cute vibe. A baby blue A-line dress with a white lace collar and heart-shaped purse for a sugary sweet look. A soft oversized teddy bear coat with a matching beanie and leggings. Complete the look with fuzzy slippers and a plushy accessory. Thrift stores can be a treasure trove for finding unique and affordable kawaii pieces. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and colors for a playful look. Accessorize with cute details like bows, headbands, and kawaii-themed jewelry. Some makeup essentials is BB cream or tinted moisturizer for a natural base, light pink or peach blush, light eyeshadow in natural tones or pastel colors, black mascara to accentuate the eyes, false eyelashes for an extra doe-eyed look, and you cannot forget lip gloss or lipstick in a soft pink or clear shade. You will achieve the kawaii doll look with the focus on natural, flush cheeks, light eye makeup, and a glossy pout. Mwah. Hairstyles can be straight, wavy, or curled. Experiment with braids, pigtails, or buns, adorned with hair clips or ribbons. Hair bows, headbands with hearts or animal ears, and colorful hair clips are all kawaii staples. Kawaii fashion is all about expressing your inner child and having fun with cuteness. Don't be afraid to experiment and personalize the look to your own taste. Remember, this is just a guide. Kawaii is all about embracing your own unique style. Period. If this is your aesthetic of choice, or at least one of them, remember to personalize it to your own taste and your own body type. And if you want to emulate this, rewatch this video as many times as needed. Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next video. Bye.
Gucci, Balenci, rockin' that Fendi designer, got plenty. Drippin' in Louis and Jimmy. No, don't try to run up, got the 30 stick with me. Shootin' the store, we gon' shoot on my side. Shootin' the lot, we gon' shoot out the ride. He not a shooter, he closing his eyes. Put him in sleep with the tears in her eyes.